What type of moisturizer is best for mature skin at night? You asked it, I'll answer it. When it comes to your skincare, I specifically am speaking to a mature skin, but this one actually applies for all of you, so stay tuned. Think of your daytime products as preventative products. They are the ones that are protecting and preventing. Think of your nighttime products as your repair and replenish products. So these are the ingredients you want to look for when you're choosing a nighttime product: peptides, ceramides, growth factors, stem cells. Those are all ingredients that are repairing, replenishing, rebuilding, restructuring. Those are the ones that are going to help to make your skin look more taut, more full, more vibrant. I can ramble off at least 10 products that are stellar in that category. Leave me a comment if you want that list. I can just boom, 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 because it would take forever to sit here and explain them all to you. But those are the ingredients you're looking for. I hope this helped. By the way, if you're wondering who I am and if I think I'm an expert, I am an expert. I am someone who has spent 30 years in the beauty and cosmetic and the anti-aging industry, starting from an esthetician that I went to school for 2 years to learn that. It's a longer process in Canada. Then I went into makeup artistry, film, television, editorial. I work with dermatologists, plastic surgeons. I did their pre-consults for them. I've done it all. So, I'm not just out here rambling. Well, I am rambling, but you know what I mean. I'm rambling about shit I know.